Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
प्रुडंटाच्या रिपोर्टा उपरांत दोतोर बानेकारान ह्या प्रकरणात इको क्लीन आणि सोडॅक्सोक कारणां दाखय नोटीसी धाडिल्ल्यो. दोगांनी रिप्लाय दिला. खासा समितीच्या बसकेत हो विषय येतलो म्हूण डीन सांगता.
Officially, I have not received any letter from pollution control. But my problem today is I have been told to take biomedical waste from all COVID hospitals and all COVID centers of Goa. So I get, you should go and see my thing. I get almost 2.5 tons of garbage, this biomedical waste in GMC campus, whereas our incineration rate is about 1 to 1.5 tons. So
Daily.
there is accumulation, no? So when you accumulate and keep, there are always accidental incidences like this.
So अजून डायरेक्शन्स आणि काय येऊ नको पॉल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डसून.
I have not received any letter so far. Till today morning I was searching in my office. I have not received any direction.
So इको क्लीन अँड सोडॅक्सचे कितें रिप्लाय आयला मीन्स हू वॉज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर बर्निंग एन तशें कितें आयला रिप्लाय त्यांचा.
Response we have given them notice and response we will be putting it to committee.
अजून रिप्लाय येऊ नको कोणाचो.
No, both have replied and both replies are put to committee.
ओके.
There is a biomedical waste committee of biomedical.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लोकेश शिरकार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.